Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have two diamond paintings and I'm pretty sure these are from FG Normal and they were sent to me for review. So but let's just open it and make sure it is exactly what I'm talking about, because that would be, you know, foolish, silly, and all that stuff. Okay, so we have two diamond paintings. This one feels a lot heavier than this one. I saw they offered square paintings and round ones, so I got a square and a round painting. Just so we can check out both of the drills, the square and round drills. And, you know, try to ignore the diamond painting that is underneath here that I'm working on. So, here we go. Let's see what we have here. Oh, wow. Look at this. That looks stunning. Wow. Okay, so we have, this is the round one. We have our drills. We have 20 colors. And we have a very basic toolkit. Let's just zoom you in so you can see the drill field, which looks very clear to me. I don't see anything that would cause me any issues as I just glance at it now. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. You're coming back. Okay. So this is, it is a portfolio, of course. I'm just gonna get rid of the deep creases in the plastic. Just even it out a bit. Okay, that's stuck. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this is supposed to be a 30 by 40, and let's... Oh man! By the way, I just received 3 packages, so if you're gonna see multiple videos throughout the week with the same nails, same shirt, that's why it's all being recorded today. So, okay, so this is the 30 by 40 is the total canvas size. Picture size would be, I guess, 25 by 35. Yep, 25 by 35, which will still look absolutely perfect. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the drills. Oh yeah, here we go. By the way, there are we have 2 legends. I always call these legends. I know some people call them different, but anyway. And $20, I did mention that, I believe. Then we have the DMC codes on the legends, not on the drills themselves. So this is obviously 210. Do we have any doubles? Yeah, we're not going to spend a whole lot of time looking into these drills because that would be boring for you guys, I know. So let's just put this aside and take a look at the square drill one. This one. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one is a little heavier because it probably has a lot more diamonds. You know what? I'm gonna do this right this time. First I'm gonna show you the picture of what it looks like and what it would cost if you would actually purchase it. Okay, so yeah, I might. Like this. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Same toolkit. This is so colorful and pretty, and I love the fact that it's a square. You know, I love my round diamond paintings. I really, really do. But like, especially with these smaller ones, when you do square, it just has more detail and things like that. So yeah. But this is absolutely stunning. It has 22 colors. I'm guessing there's not even a size on here. That is strange, but I'm guessing it's again a 25. 20. Oh. Okay, 24. 24 by 34. Okay, so the drill field looks exactly the same compared to the round drills. It looks exactly the same. These are squares. So let's take a look. Can you zoom you guys in a bit? You know, as I open this, just check out the drill field yourself. As I look at the drill field, I don't see anything that could confuse me. I mean, here we have the S and the 5, which I'm usually not a fan of, like this close together, but again, the color is completely different, so I'm pretty sure this will be fine. Okay, so let's take a look at the drills. Like I said, 22 colors. Ooh. These look good. These look very good. Again, no DMC codes on the bags, but they are on the legends. Or keys, or whatever you want to call it. And these colors are just, I'm just going to go quickly through them. We'll be here forever. Oh, we have 2 bags of 22. Probably the background. We have our blues, our purples, pinks. Oh, so so vibrant. And all of these look absolutely perfect. The drills look perfect. I don't see any trash or anything. They're not static, they're not oily. I really can't wait to start this one. Okay. And we're back. Okay, so yeah, these were the squares, and again, to do a full review, I'm gonna start working on one of these. I want to finish one of these and show you them, what it looks like, what to expect. I'm kind of inclined to do the round drill one because I just finished those a lot faster, and I do want to get this video up as soon as possible because they were nice enough to send it to me. So yeah, you know what? Just stay tuned and you'll see what we've got. Okay, we're back. As you can see, I didn't do this one, but I did do this one. And look how stunning it is. This is the one with the square drills. And it was so much fun to do. The drills look absolutely perfect. And yeah, let's just zoom you guys in a bit, so you can actually see what it looks like up close. No issues at all. I have plenty of drills left over. And this is absolutely stunning. So yeah, I really have to start working on this one now, but I also want to finish a big project I've got going on. Oh, you know, when you want to do all the paintings like all the time, yeah, and then life gets in the way. Yeah, it sucks. But anyway, this one is absolutely beautiful. And I'm really glad I got the opportunity to try these, because this is, in my opinion, awesome quality. So, huge thank you to FG Normal for sending these to me. I feel so blessed that I got to try these out. And yeah, of course I will leave the info in the description box if you want to check it out yourself. I hope you're safe, healthy, stay that way, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!